Welcome to one more stock review from Ravisa Templetree. In this video, we will talk about a company that is more than a century old, coming from the most respected business house in our country, a company that has the second best geographical presence in the metals business globally, a pride of India. We are talking about Tata Steel, one of the flagship businesses of the Tata Empire. Most of us will know about the history of this company. Just to have a record of the history in our channel, we thought of having it done again. And for those who would be interested to have a little more information, a small journey about Tata Steel. Before going to the journey, let's look at a new investment opportunity that is available in the debt mutual fund segment today, where we can have a little more than bank FD rates as returns, which is fully secured, and that comes with tax advantages. To know more about this strategic investment, send your request to the mail shown on the screen here. Tata Steel, or the erstwhile Tata Iron and Steel Company, or widely known as TISCO, was the brainchild of Jamshedji Nushirvanji Tata, or fondly called as JN Tata. Out of the two grand business ideas that he conceived in his lifetime, one was the Taj Mahal Hotel, which started in 1899, while he was not alive when the second great business idea of his came to life, Tata Steel. It started its journey in 1907. A chance meeting of Swami Vivekananda by J.N. Tata on his voyage to Chicago from Japan in 1893 brought him the ideas of technology transfer for steel business and the thought of having a science university, which was the Indian Institute of Science. The big dreams of J.N. Tata got fulfilled by his son Sir Dorabji Tata, who created some more Tata businesses like Tata Power and New India Assurance Company, and along with that brought Tata Steel to life. With the company, they also built India's first industrial city, Jamshedpur. Tata Steel supported the British Empire during both the world wars and earned good appreciation from the then rulers of our country. During World War II, Tata Steel was given the opportunity to produce armored vehicles for war purposes. Using a Ford chassis, they built this vehicle, which played a prominent role in desert warfare. Tata Steel is one of the largest integrated steel producers in the world, spanning from mining to manufacturing to marketing branded products. Having 34 million tons of crude steel capacity, they are planning to expand to 100 million tons soon. Tata Steel has its operations in 26 countries and business presence in 50 countries across the globe, with major facilities in the UK, Netherlands, along with India. The company grew through mergers and acquisitions. It bought many existing facilities globally. National Steel in Singapore, Millennium Steel in Thailand, Vinau Steel in Vietnam, Corus in UK, which was at that time the biggest acquisition by an Indian company, costing the company $12 billion. And talks are in place to merge ThyssenKrupp in Germany. Steel industry as a whole went through a downside from 2018 and has bottomed out in 2020. Commodity cycle turned up and is now having huge demand, which is pushing up prices and bringing very big margins to all the steel producers globally. China shutting down its steel facilities for pollution concerns have added up to more demand. Tata Steel had its own challenges by carrying huge debts on its books due to acquisitions and also going through the down cycle in the commodity, which took a very big hit on its balance sheet. After having a steep decline in 2020, company has had a sharp bounce back. Tata Steel sales went up 43% for March 2021 and its margins shot up to 13% from a negative number just a year back. This big growth brought a big push to the profits, which grew at 528% for March 2021 quarterly. These big numbers brought a big change for the stock in the market. Tata Steel had reported its highest ever quarterly earnings number at 14,000 crores, growing at 48%. Its full year FY21 profits grew at 71% to reach 31,000 crores. This huge profits that the company generated had helped it to clear off 30,000 crores of its debt. There is media report stating that if this similar run continues, Tata Steel can clear another 30,000 crores of debt in the coming year, while the company has planned to clear off 7,500 crores per annum, that is about $1 billion of debt every year, clearing from its balance sheet. Company has also planned big expansions. 11,000 crores have been marked for expansion, and out of that 7,500 crores or $1 billion is earmarked for India operations. Let's look at the demand for steel globally, which will give us a clarity on what to expect on our investments in the future. Post the deep cut that the global economy had due to COVID, the rebound has been pretty good, with automobile sector leading the pack, followed with consumer goods demand, capital goods requirement and construction activity that has been coming up globally. Demand for steel in India has also been very good, with export market giving them a very big push to all the steel manufacturers in our country, which is also helping them get big margins on their sales. All the goodness of the sector and the company helped Tata Steel get to the top ranks in March 2021. The company was late to join the party because of the huge debt the company carried on its books, while it made a fast run and caught up soon. Now both its ranks, the profit growth ranking and price relative strength rank, are at the top. Generally, when companies qualify for the top rank, they tend to become multi-baggers. Tata Steel has just entered the multi-baggers group, where it has big scope for appreciation in its price in the coming days. Tata Steel is a company which has wide distribution of investor, like all FIIs, DIIs, mutual funds, retail investors and promoters have very good participation. Here it is unfortunate to note that both mutual funds and retail investors have been selling the stock as the stock is going up in price. All their selling is got absorbed by the foreign institutional investors who made big chunk of profit in a very short period. It is unfortunate that our investors have missed a beautiful opportunity to grow their wealth. Among the mutual fund schemes that have big exposure to Tata Steel stock, here is a list of schemes that have potential for growth like 3 to 5% on their NAV just because of holding Tata Steel stock in their portfolio. If you feel that you have missed out investing into Tata Steel or having a concern of buying the stock now, it is good to invest in these schemes which can help investors make big returns or the stocks returns in their portfolio too. So investing in mutual funds which has more number of top ranked stocks in it will help us have great returns from our mutual fund investments too. Let's look at the charts to see if there is an opportunity to buy Tata Steel today. Stock had a good run up and now it's been consolidating, getting ready for the next upside. It is good to buy Tata Steel when price goes below 1020. There are about 29 analysts tracking the stock today, and out of them 24 have given a buy recommendation for a target of 1300 on the stock. So if an investor buys the stock when it comes to close to 1000, he has a potential to make 30% neat profit on its investment. Top ranking stocks generally give big outperformance on their returns in the market. Tata Steel has also given big returns to its investors. In the last 1 year, Tata Steel has given 283% returns to its investors, while the broad NSE 500 index has given 68%. Coming to a 3-month period returns, Tata Steel has given 62%, while the broad market has given 8%. While coming to an even shorter period of 1 month, the stock lags the broad market. This is where there is opportunity. Whenever there is a stock that has a big outperformance in the larger time frame, that is for 1 year and 6 months, the stock is doing extraordinary returns, and when you see in the shorter period like 1 month, you see there is a lag between the performance, it underperforms the index. That is where there is an opportunity, that the stock gives an opportunity to buy it. So here Tata Steel is just at the gates, getting ready for the upside. Wait for it to turn and get into the stock. Participate in the steel journey and enjoy the ride. Investing into top rank stocks always helps us have index beating returns. To have your copy of the stock rank report, join our discussion group and subscribe to the report. To join this group, send a WhatsApp request to the contact given in the description or at the end of the video to join the group. Have a beautiful steel journey.